In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 hot products that you need to be selling right now. Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Trends. Our channel is all about product research and helping you find winning products to sell on your Shopify store. To have a successful online store, spotting winning products before anyone else is a vital skill. We, at Everyday Trends, do this for you. So all you have to do is watch our videos. Stay tuned and keep watching till the end. One of these products could make you bank. Don't forget to smash the like button. Our first product solves your wrinkly problems. The Professional Micro Steam Iron. It can be heated up to 302 degrees within 10 minutes to achieve the best ironing effect. It's portable and light, suitable for people who travel frequently or use irons occasionally. It has solid reviews and not yet a lot of orders on AliExpress. Similar products were also winners before on the market. No one wants to have wrinkly clothes. Sell this now. You could sell this for $34.95, while the product costs only $14.73. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $20.22. If you think that's epic, wait till you see number one. The next product is for people who want a cool display. The Moving Sand Art Picture. It's the perfect desk display for people who work beside the computer for a long time. The frame and bracket of the sand painting is made of ABS material, and the screen is composed of sealed glass, special sand, colorless liquid, and bubbles. It has 4.7-star reviews on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. This product is unique and untapped, so you can take advantage of this. Life's too short to have boring art. You could sell this for $49.99, while the product costs only $16.05. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a great profit margin of $33.94. The next product is for cat owners. The Small Interactive Ball Toy. It simulates the real sounds of 3 different animals to attract cats' attention and stimulate their hunting nature. It reduces boredom and increases your cat's activity. It has 4.7 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. This is a dope toy for dope cats. Period. You could sell this for $17.95, while the product costs only $3.89, and shipping is free. So you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $14.40. The next product is for those who love lamps, the Galaxy Lamp. It's designed using high-quality NASA satellite images. It's rechargeable, remote-controlled, and it changes colors when you touch it. Buyers on AliExpress are happy about it with 4.6 stars and not yet a lot of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. If you're stuck in the dark in your parents' basement, this could be your flashlight getting you through the night. You could sell this for $29.99, while the product costs only $9.94. Shipping cost is free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $20.05. The next product is for people with stinky feet. The Shoe Dryer Disinfectant. It's a unique, portable electric shoe dryer. It kills all bacteria and eliminates odor with the power of heat. It has 4.8 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. Who wants to be nicknamed Stinky Billy? No, that wasn't what my high school friends used to call me. I don't know what you're talking about. You could sell this for $26.99, while the product costs only $13.04. Shipping cost is $2.67, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $11.28. Cold hands? The next product will solve this problem. The USB Pocket Hand Warmer. It has an ergonomic design and it keeps your hands warm. It's durable and of high quality. It has no orders yet on AliExpress, so you can take advantage of this. It's also getting more popular in Google search engines. This is perfect for people who don't have anyone to keep their hands warm during the holidays. You could sell this for $19.99, while the product costs only $4.39. Shipping is free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $15.60. The next product is for people who get anxious. The Anti-Anxiety Spinner Ring. This ring serves as a calming companion for anyone suffering from stress or anxiety. It has a freely rotating outer layer, which is the ideal fidget to relieve tension or increase focus. It's got a 4.7 star rating on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. It's also getting more popular in Google search engines. It's better than nail biting, hair pulling, or throwing a tantrum. You could sell this for $19.99, while the product costs only $139, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $17.51. The next product is for people who want to be warm and cozy in bed, the fluffy bedding. The shaggy, fluffy bedding will wrap around your body each night, keeping in the warmth. After a long day, you can slip into your own cozy cocoon made from luxury, high-quality fleece. It has great reviews on AliExpress and Amazon. It's also getting more popular on TikTok. Who doesn't want to stay warm during the winter? You could sell this for $119.99, while the product costs only $48.93. Shipping is $15.79, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $55.27. The next product is for people who need relief around the eye area, the Smart Eye Massager. It uses a scientifically proven thermal, acupoint, and vibration massage. It helps reduce headaches, sleeplessness, and eye fatigue. It has 4.7 stars on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. Who doesn't want to reduce eye strain and have a good night's sleep? As an added bonus, it'll also make your customers look like Cyclops. You could sell this for $69.99, while the product costs only $37.05. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $32.94. Finally, this product is perfect for people who love flowers, the levitating flower pot. It can withstand the weight of 300 grams of plants. An arrangement of magnets, coils, and sensors keep it levitating in midair. It has a perfect 5 stars on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. This product has a wow effect and it's unsaturated, so you can take advantage of this. It's also guaranteed conversation starter. You could sell this for $89.99, while the product costs only $65.99. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a solid profit margin of $24. So that's our top 10 hottest products for today. Which products are in your top 3? Let me know in the comments section. Smash the thumbs up button if you got value from this, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you're always ahead of the game.